All right, we're gonna power wash this sidewalk here. I've already done a few of it just to show you what this thing can do. This is the Ryobi premium electric pressure washer. Has a soap tank in it. You can do high pressure, low pressure. Low pressure does the soap, high pressure does no soap. Goes up to 2000 psi with a 100 psi boost on it. I'm using this nozzle here. I'm not sure if it came with it or not. And then I've got the low pressure nozzle there. 1.2 GPM. So let's get going. Alright, here we go. The finished product. It's the most dry part. That looks pretty good. A lot better shape than it was. This is kind of what it was. It was a little darker. That's pretty close. Let's go check out the Jeep. There's a team Chevy. That's pretty good. Not too bad. I'll take it. Did pretty good. On the tires, that brush, power wash. Alright, ready to go again.